From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are waking up a little bit chilly this morning, and most of our areas are seeing some frost, and we may see some patchy fog later on. Let's take a look at our cavity tower cam overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing a mix of clear skies and clouds here this morning in most of our areas, but we will see increasing clouds throughout the day, so it is going to be a mostly cloudy day today for your Veterans Day. That rain is starting to move in the overnight hours and will kind of last until the afternoon hours on Friday. And we will see cooler temperatures coming compared to this week. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we have no activity precipitation-wise, and it will remain dry for your Veterans Day today. On our radar and satellite, we are seeing a little bit extra cloud cover, and this is because of this low pressure system just to the west of us. This is what will be moving in tonight, overnight into early Friday morning. This will kind of give us that rain that we are expecting overnight, as well as a rumble of thunder is possible. Right now, we are seeing a mix of clear skies and clouds. We will see increasing clouds with a high in the lower 50s today. It will be quite breezy as well, so just be prepared for that. It may feel a little bit chillier. Here's that rain moving in overnight. This is 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. This will kind of last until the early afternoon hours, and then we'll start to clear out for the day with a high in the 50s. Before today, we have mostly cloudy skies, a high in the lower 50s, and overnight tonight, mostly cloudy with that rain moving in after midnight. No frost is expected tomorrow because the low tonight only drops into the 40s, but it will be quite breezy overnight and for tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon with that rain. Mixed precipitation is expected on Saturday with an isolated shower possible on Sunday. The temperatures do drop for next week. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. A local?
We're saying good morning to Utica and all of the greater Utica region. Today is Veterans Day, so if you do plan on going to any outdoor ceremonies or memorials, it will remain dry for that today, but it will be mostly cloudy. We have temperatures in the upper 40s at around noon. We will be rising to the lower 50s in the afternoon today for the high temperature, but good thing is it will remain dry. The next chance of rain is not until overnight tonight into tomorrow. As you can see, after 11 p.m. tonight, it does go up, and it is likely tomorrow morning. This will drop back off in the afternoon hours tomorrow, and we will remain dry for the rest of the evening. But if we look at our weekend, we are going to be seeing some rain on Saturday and possibly some showers on Sunday as well. For Saturday, mixed showers are possible for the North Country and the Mohawk Valley. Just some rain is possible for the southern valleys, but same thing goes for Sunday. Isolated showers are possible, especially some snow for the North Country. Mohawk Valley does kind of see some rain, and the southern valleys does look dry. But the high temperatures have dropped into the 40s for this coming weekend. We will be in the 40s for the high temperatures and in the 30s for the low temperatures. So we are going to be seeing some rain in the forecast. I'll have a look at your commute coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. We have a couple of traffic.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are waking up a little chilly this morning with some patchy frost as well as some patchy fog later on this morning. Here's a live look at our cavity tower cam overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing a mix of clouds and clear skies as well here this morning, but we will see increasing clouds throughout the day for a mostly cloudy day today. But good thing is it will remain dry. That rain does move in the overnight hours a little after midnight for the morning and the early afternoon hours tomorrow. Cooler temperatures are coming later on in the weekend and for the beginning of next week. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, again, we see no activity in sight today. So if you are going to any outdoor memorial activities for Veterans Day, it will remain dry for that, just a little breezy as well as cloudy conditions. On our radar and satellite, we do see this extra cloud cover is coming from this low pressure system from the west, and this system will move into our area in the overnight hours tonight and bring some rain and maybe a possible rumble of thunder or two tonight. It will be clearing out in the afternoon hours tomorrow for sunshine taking over. Right now, we are seeing a mix of sun and clouds, temperatures in the freezing levels, but we will see increasing clouds throughout the day with a high in the lower 50s. So it is going to feel a little chilly out there if you are outside today. Overnight, just after midnight, we are going to be seeing some rain come in, a possible rumble of thunder or two as well. This all clears out in the early afternoon hours tomorrow for a sunny day tomorrow. But today, mostly cloudy, a high in the lower 50s, that wind coming in at 10 miles per hour. And it will still be breezy overnight with winds at 15 miles per hour, and that rain moves in overnight. But for Friday, we will be seeing sunshine later on in the afternoon hours. Mixed precipitation comes back in for Saturday, and an isolated shower is possible for Sunday. Those high temperatures drop for next week. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Decision 2020.
Welcome back. This morning we are seeing some frost in some of our areas. This is just a quick scrape this morning. Our temperatures were not below freezing for that long last night, but make sure you are giving yourself a little extra time maybe to defrost your car, start that car starter, or maybe just go out and scrape it yourself. So when grabbing your coffee this morning, I would be grabbing the extra large. It is pretty chilly out there with temperatures in the 30s here this morning. We are seeing a partly cloudy skies out there as well. Here's the rainfall outlook for this weekend. Today we will remain dry, so if you are planning to attend any outdoor memorials, it will remain dry, just a little bit chilly today. Friday, we are going to be seeing some widespread rain move in overnight tonight. That will last for the morning hours on Friday. This will clear out by the afternoon hours for some sunshine making its way into the area. We are going to be seeing some scattered mixed precipitation on Saturday due to another system moving in, and an isolated shower is possible once again on Sunday. I'll have another look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Country music.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are waking up with some frost here this morning, as well as a mix of some clouds and some clear skies out there this morning. Let's take a look at our CAV tower cam overlooking the city of Utica. It is quite chilly out there with frost in most of our areas, as well as a mix in cloud cover here this morning. But we will see increasing clouds throughout the day for a mostly cloudy day today. But good thing is it will remain dry. The rain does move in the overnight hours a little after midnight tonight. And we will see some cooler temperatures coming, especially for this weekend and for next week. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are seeing no activity precipitation-wise, so it will remain dry today. If you are planning on attending any outdoor memorials or ceremonies, it will remain dry for that. Just make sure you do bring your jacket because it is going to be quite breezy out there, as well as the high is only in the lower 50s. On our radar and satellite, we see a little extra cloud cover today. This is coming from this low pressure system in the west. This will move into our area in the overnight hours tonight, bringing in some heavy rain tonight and tomorrow morning. It will look to clear out by the afternoon hours tomorrow for some sunshine, but again, it is going to be some rain, possible rumble of thunder, and some gusty winds. We are in the 30s this morning. Increasing clouds throughout the day with a high in the lower 50s. And overnight tonight, that's when we really start to see that rain come in. A possible rumble of thunder or two, as well as some gusty winds. That will all clear out in the afternoon hours on Friday for some sunshine. But for today, a mostly cloudy day with a high in the lower 50s. As we get into the overnight hours, the rain comes in after midnight with a low in the 40s. The rain does kind of come back in for Saturday. Mixed precipitation is possible. Isolated showers are possible once again on Sunday. And then we are going to see some mixed precipitation for the start of the week with the drop in those temperatures. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. A local college professor.
We're saying good morning to Utica and all of the greater Utica region. It is Veterans Day today, and good news is it will remain dry if you are attending any outdoor memorials or ceremonies. It just is going to feel a little bit chilly because it is going to be quite breezy. We will have temperatures in the upper 40s at around noon, reaching the lower 50s at around 2 p.m. So it will be a little chilly today, so make sure you do bundle up, but it will remain dry. Our next chance of rain does go into the overnight hours tonight. It is very likely we are going to be seeing widespread rain tonight, but it will end at around noon tomorrow for some sunshine coming into the forecast. But an extended look at this rain. So this is tonight and tomorrow. This is 4:30 p.m. Still a little bit cloudy, but some sunshine is coming in tomorrow afternoon. Into Saturday, we are going to be seeing some mixed precipitation. This is mainly in afternoon and evening hours on Saturday. This will kind of last into the overnight, maybe seeing some snow, some freezing rain, and just some regular rain on Saturday. As we get into Sunday, an isolated shower is possible. I'll have another look at your commute coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. We have a couple traffic.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are waking up a little bit cold this morning with temperatures in the freezing levels, allowing for some frost overnight and this morning. Let's take a look at our CAVV tower cam. A beautiful sunrise on our CAVV tower camera this morning, as well as all across our area before these clouds do start to build in throughout the day today. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, no activity precipitation-wise for today. It will remain dry if you are attending any outdoor memorial or ceremonies. Just make sure you do bring a jacket or two. It is going to be a little bit breezy, and it will be mostly cloudy, so it may feel a little bit colder than the actual temperature. We are seeing a little extra cloud cover today from this low pressure system just to the west of us. This system will move into our area in the overnight hours tonight, bringing in widespread rain after midnight tonight, but it looks to clear out tomorrow at around noon, so it's just kind of a 12-hour event, but it will bring gusty winds as well as a couple rumbles of thunder are possible. Again, this morning we are waking up in the freezing levels. We had up in the 20s in the North Country, ranging in the 20s and 30s here in the Mohawk Valley, and down in the 20s in the southern valleys as well. So make sure you are giving yourself a little extra time if you are just heading out the door to kind of scrape off your car. We will see increasing clouds throughout the day, a high in the lower 50s. As we get into the overnight hours, here is where that rain does start to come in. This is at 6 a.m. tomorrow. It still will be having widespread rain. Gusty winds and a couple rumbles of thunder are possible. But that does look to clear out afternoon tomorrow. For today, mostly sunny start with that sunrise this morning. We will see mostly clouds today with a high in the lower 50s. Overnight tonight after midnight, we will see that rain start to come in with a low in the 40s. We are going to see a little bit more rain on Saturday, mixed precipitation. An isolated shower is possible once again on Sunday, and the temperatures do drop for next week, allowing for some chances of snow coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks.
Welcome back. We are waking up to some frost this morning. Temperatures were in the 20s to lower 30s last night. So I'll give yourself a little extra time to kind of go out and scrape off your car or even start the car starter from inside your home, but have that defroster on. If you are grabbing your cup of coffee this morning, I would be opting for the extra large. It is a bit cold out there with temperatures in the freezing levels. We will see increasing clouds throughout the day. Here is the look at the next round of rain. Today it will remain dry, but overnight tonight, a little after midnight, we are going to be seeing some widespread rain move into our area. This will last until about noon to 1 p.m. tomorrow, and then sunshine does come in to take over the rest of the day. On Saturday, we are going to be getting another round of rain, and this could be some mixed precipitation as well due to temperatures being below 40 in the 30s to 40s, so there is a chance of mixed precipitation. And the same thing kind of goes for Sunday. There is an isolated shower possible, and it could be a mixed precipitation. I'll have a look at your day planner coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Country music.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are waking up this morning with frost in most of our areas, as well as mostly sunny skies. Let's take a look at our CAVV tower cam. As we can see, mostly sunny skies right now, a beautiful sunset on our camera. We will see increasing clouds throughout the day today. But on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we see no activity precipitation-wise. So if you are heading out today for any outdoor memorials or ceremonies, it will remain dry for that, just a little cold, mostly cloudy skies, and a bit breezy as well. We're getting in the extra cloud cover and those extra winds from this low pressure system that is just to the west of us. That will be moving into our area overnight tonight, bringing in some rain after midnight. It will be widespread, but it will only last about 12 hours, kind of clearing out for the afternoon hours tomorrow, and sunshine will come back in to dominate. This morning, we are waking up with some frost. We have in the 20s up in the North Country, ranging in the 20s to 30s in the Mohawk Valley, and back down into the 20s in the southern valleys this morning. So if you are getting ready to head out, maybe go out and scrape off your car first, or give yourself a little bit extra time. We are going to be seeing increasing clouds throughout the day with the high in the lower 50s. It is going to be a bit breezy out there today, but as long as it is remaining dry for any of those ceremonies. That rain does start to come in after midnight, and this is at 6 a.m. tomorrow. We will be seeing widespread rain at this time. This rain does look to move out in the afternoon hours tomorrow, bringing in some sunshine. But for today, we'll see mostly cloudy skies. That wind coming in at 10 miles per hour with a high in the lower 50s. Overnight tonight, that wind does pick up a little bit as that rain starts to move in after midnight with a low in the 40s. For tomorrow, that rain will clear out by the afternoon hours. We do have another chance of some mixed precipitation on Saturday, and isolated showers possible on Sunday, and those temperatures drop for next week, so there is some snow to start off next week.
Snow?
Yes, I know.
Hi.
I know. I'm not ready.
It's coming. New this morning, New York's Office of...
Welcome back. We are waking up this morning on this Veterans Day with a beautiful sunrise here on our CAPV tower cam. We will start to see increasing clouds throughout the day. If we do look at our Mesonet cameras, we already are seeing some clouds starting to move into the area, as well as some frost on the ground, and we are going to be seeing some patchy fog here as well. But for today, we have a high in the lower 50s. It is going to be mostly cloudy and breezy. If you are attending any ceremonies, it is going to remain dry for that. And as we get into the overnight hours, that wind really does pick up with a low in the 40s and some rain. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. We have a couple of traffic alerts. Let's get a look at the forecast for all of those outdoor events today. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now. And Hannah, so far, so good, right?
Yes, we are seeing dry conditions, but again, we are still seeing mostly cloudy skies, a few peaks of sun here and there, but it is quite windy out there as well. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Again, we are dry right now, so if you are attending any memorials later on today, it will be dry for that. But let's take a look at our cameras across the region. We are seeing mostly cloudy skies in most of our areas. Still a few peaks of sunshine out there, but it is quite windy, so it is feeling quite chilly out there today. For the rest of the day, temperatures right now are in the upper 40s. We will reach a high in the low 50s by the later afternoon hours, and after that sun sets, it will drop back down to the 40s. But again, mostly cloudy conditions along with that breeze out there as well. It is going to reach the lower 50s, but again, feeling a little bit chilly because of that breeze, and I'll be tracking some rain coming into the forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The Marine Corps...
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. It is mostly cloudy out there, but at least it is dry. We are getting a few peaks of sunshine as well, but it is kind of breezy. Let's take a look at our CAPV tower cam. We are seeing mostly cloudy skies, a few peaks of sun on our CAPV tower cam. And like I said, it is a bit windy out there, so it is feeling a little bit cooler than the actual temperature. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, good news is that it is dry out there today, so if you are going to attend any memorials or ceremonies this day for Veterans Day, it will be dry for that. But again, it is feeling a bit chilly out there with that wind coming in at around 10 to 12 miles per hour. We are getting a little extra cloud cover in our area today due to this low pressure system in the west. This system is moving towards the east and will affect us in the overnight hours tonight, kind of bringing in some rain into our area, but is only expected to affect us until the afternoon hours tomorrow. Temperatures are ranging in the upper 40s to lower 50s here this afternoon. We are seeing upper 40s in the North Country, same thing for the Mohawk Valley, and same thing for the Southern Valleys. in 52 in Skinevus right now. But again, it is feeling a little bit chillier out there because that wind is kind of coming in at 10 to 12 miles per hour. We are seeing gusts up to 20 miles per hour this afternoon. Here is that rain that just moved through on our extended outlook, and we are going to be seeing some snow on Saturday and Sunday. This is just a possibility. Again, this is going to happen, but it may not be snow just because of those temperatures. We are going to be in the 40s. If we do reach down into the 30s, this could be snow or mixed precipitation on Saturday and on Sunday as well. We are going to be seeing some lake effect showers on Monday and Tuesday as well. Again, this could be snow based on the temperature on Monday and on Tuesday. So let's look at all that on our Skycast. We are mostly cloudy right now. Temperatures are in the upper 40s to lower 50s. We will see that rain move in the overnight hours tonight, just after midnight, and that will affect us until the afternoon hours tomorrow. We will be all cleared out by the evening, temperatures dropping into the 40s and in the 30s in the overnight hours into Saturday. So like I said, on Saturday, we are going to be seeing another cold front moving through, and depending on that temperature, this may be mixed precipitation or snow. So we will see on Saturday. But for today, a high in the lower 50s. It is mostly cloudy out there, and tomorrow a high in the mid 50s. We will see rain in the morning hours, kind of clearing out by the afternoon and the evening. There's mixed precipitation. There's a possibility of that on Saturday with a high in the 40s. Sunday, scattered showers do remain in our area, and Monday and Tuesday we have that chance for lake effect snow showers. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. A federal judge in this half hour. Once again, here is meteorologist Hannah Evans.
It is still remaining dry out there for the day today, but it is mostly cloudy with a few peaks of sunshine, as well as a stronger breeze coming in at around 10 miles per hour. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Again, it is remaining dry for any ceremonies or memorials that you may be attending outside today, but it is mostly cloudy. If we look at the Mesonet cameras across our region, we are seeing a few peaks of sunshine, especially in the southern valleys, but otherwise it is mostly cloudy out there right now. So if you're still getting ready to head out, temperatures are in the upper 40s here at noon. They will reach a high in the lower 50s by around 2 p.m. and after sunset they will drop back down into the 40s. And for today, our high is in the lower 50s. Again, it is mostly cloudy, but it is feeling a little bit chillier because of that wind. And I will be tracking some rain in the forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. With just 2 weeks.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. It is mostly cloudy outside today with a few peaks of sunshine, and it is quite windy as well, but it is remaining dry. Let's take a live look at our CAV tower cam. Again, we are seeing more clouds than sun this afternoon, as well as a stronger breeze coming in at around 10 to 12 miles per hour. Gusts reaching up to 20 miles per hour here this afternoon. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, no activity in sight precipitation-wise, so if you are getting ready still to head out to any memorials or ceremonies today for Veterans Day, it will continue to remain dry for that, just a little bit cold. And we are getting a little extra cloud cover today from this low pressure system in the west. This will continue to push eastward, and we will be receiving rain from this overnight tonight into tomorrow. But right now, our temperatures are in the upper 40s to lower 50s in most of our areas. It is feeling a little bit chillier, though, because we do have that wind coming in at around 10 to 12 miles per hour, kind of making it feel a bit cold. Here is the extended outlook of that rain. So this is tomorrow at 11 a.m. This will clear out in the afternoon to evening hours tomorrow, bringing in some sunshine later on. Now, we are going to get another cold front moving through from the west on Saturday. This is going to bring more rain in the area during the day, and just before sunset, we may see some snow or some mixed precipitation. This goes into the overnight hours on Saturday into Sunday as well. That cold front will have moved through, but we may see an isolated shower or two on Sunday. This could be a mix or a snow or rain due to lake effect. So let's look at all that on the Skycast. We are seeing mostly cloudy conditions right now. Temperatures are in the mid-50s for the high today. The rain does move in overnight, and it will be prominent at 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. Temperatures will be in the 50s. This rain all looks to clear out at around 1 to 2 p.m. tomorrow for some sunshine coming into the area and temperatures in the 40s in the evening. Now we are going to be seeing another round of precipitation from another cold front moving through on Saturday. This will happen in the afternoon to evening hours on Saturday, maybe seeing some mixed precipitation as well as snow there on Saturday. Before today, mostly cloudy skies, a high in the mid-50s. It will remain dry today before we do get some rain overnight into the morning hours tomorrow, as well as some mixed precipitation possible on Saturday. An isolated shower, this could be mixed, this could be snow on Sunday. And then Monday and Tuesday, all those systems do move out, but we are going to be seeing some lake effect showers on Monday and Tuesday. Those systems drop the high temperature for next week. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. A local college.
Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Dry, sunny day. Now some changes.
Yes, some big changes. We're going to get into some chillier weather as we head into the weekend, all thanks to a cold front that will be arriving as we head into late tonight and early tomorrow. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar heading out this evening. The weather looks dry and quiet, but we look to the west. We can see this line of rain, this wall of water out towards Ohio. And that's the cold front itself. That will be here late tonight and early tomorrow. Current temperature is 50 degrees. We're mostly cloudy. We'll hold on to cloud cover as we head into tonight. Again, some rain will be returning late tonight. Comes in pretty hard and pretty heavy, but then it's out of here by the afternoon. We're expecting breezy and cooler conditions. And looking ahead to the weekend and beyond, a few snow chances. Nothing big, nothing making big headlines here, but again, some chances for that in the extended outlook. This evening, cloudy skies, temperatures in the 40s. Again, tracking some rain as we head into tonight. We're also tracking those temperatures as we head into the weekend. Look at that forecast coming up. Kristen, back to you.
Bill, thank you. We've gotten called.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are tracking big changes in the weather as a cold front arrives early tomorrow morning, bringing rain and wind. Let's take a live look outside this evening. This is our Cavity Tower Cam. We're overlooking the city of Utica. The weather is looking pretty quiet. If you have any plans to maybe run some errands or go out to dinner, the weather is looking pretty good, looking pretty quiet. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. You're running out of time if you haven't gotten the yard cleaned. It looks like late tomorrow is going to be the best time to do that for the next couple of days because we have some rain in the forecast and just generally unsettled weather for Saturday, Sunday, and that continues into Monday of next week. And then in terms of the next day worthy of raking the leaves, or at least a day where you'll be able to do that and not get soaked, looks to be Tuesday, so better sooner than later. Temperatures across the area this evening. Again, just a generally pleasant Veterans Day. Rome 50, Whitesboro 49, Lowville 50. Across the Southern Valleys, we've got Sherburne with 53 and Skinebus with 49 degrees. And it is looking to be a nice evening to take the dog for a walk. Temperatures will be in the 40s. Or dogs, we've got Molly, Gracie, and Moxie with us tonight. This is brought to you by Staffworks. If you want to be part of this, head to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. One more mild day tomorrow, and that mild weather is here only early in the day, and then the temperatures drop. We'll be in the 40s for the remainder of the next 7 days, at least the next 5 days, I should say, Monday and Tuesday in the low 40s. With cooler weather also comes the chance for some snow showers. The radar and satellite image shows a cold front approaching from the west. This will be around first thing tomorrow morning. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast. Clouds remain around tonight. The rain picks up as we head past midnight. Check it out at 8 a.m. Heavy rainfall, gusty winds. Temperatures will start out pretty mild, but they will drop after the front rolls through. We'll go from mid-50s to low 50s and even back into the 40s here by 5 p.m. But we do clear out, so only wet the first half of the day. The second half does look dry. We are looking at dry weather for Friday night. Saturday starts out dry, and then we will see a round of some light rain and even some snow showers approaching from the west, especially Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. And again, that is likely to make things wet as we head into Sunday morning. The rainfall amounts, thinking about a quarter to a half an inch of rain through about 8 o'clock in the morning. And then when that front rolls through, we will see another ½ an inch. So totals will be about an inch of rainfall, not enough to cause flooding concerns. Rain tonight, low of 45. Rain early tomorrow, and then we do dry out. Temperatures will be in the mid-50s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. As we head into the weekend, again, some light rain and snow showers late Saturday, and then more showers late Sunday. Light rain and snow showers on Monday. Nothing big here, but just the fact that we do get it does raise eyebrows. And I see Jason's concerned look. Temperatures will be in the low 40s here Tuesday. We are back into the upper 40s Wednesday and Thursday. We're tracking the wind. Closer look at the winds coming up in the next half hour.
All right, thanks,
Bill, thank you.
Former President Trump is Bill Curtis, and next week, a week from tonight.
Yeah, you know me as a Sky nerd, so we've got another
I'm
thing.
with you, though. I'm out there in the parking lot with him.
I appreciate it.
There are some cool things. We talked about the International Space Station, Northern Lights. This one, a lunar eclipse. This is when the Earth casts a shadow over the moon. Mark your calendar. This is going to be next Thursday night, and we will be able to see it. Of course, this is going to be an early morning event, so it might be worth waking up. The lunar eclipse will be peaking out at 4 o'clock in the morning. It's not a total lunar eclipse, but it's 97% cast over the shadow, so it's close enough. We'll continue to keep an eye on this and see what sky cover looks like as we get closer to the event. Also next Thursday, the Storm Tracker 2 weather team, Hannah Evans and I, will be debuting the Winter Outlook. It will be right here at the Live at 5 News Hour, where we will come up with an idea of how much snowfall we think will fall throughout the whole season and trends in temperature. Live look at the Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. All is quiet. This evening, we are looking at cloudy skies, temperatures in the 40s. Tracking much cooler weather ahead, though. Look at that forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Thank you, Bill. North Pole.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. A very mild Veterans Day, staying dry, and we will see dry weather continue tonight. Let's take a live look outside. This is our Cadby Tower Cam overlooking the city of Utica. Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar is looking quiet, so if you're looking to get out this evening, the weather should cooperate. The winds will be picking up as we head into the next couple of days. Already some breezy conditions today. It will be windy tonight and especially early Friday. The winds will become lighter on Saturday and Sunday, and breezy conditions on Monday. Let's take a closer look at the winds heading into tonight. They will increase up until about 5 to 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, where they will become strongest. We're thinking wind gusts up to about 30 to 40 miles an hour. That's below the threshold to create damage, but there could be some twigs and some small debris in the roads first thing tomorrow morning. Just something to keep in mind if you're going to be out and about driving. The winds become lighter as we head into the afternoon and evening. The winds are being generated by a cold front, which will be moving through early in the morning. Sky watchers, Norway, Donna checks in with 46. Marjorie in Boonville with 45 degrees. George and Glenmore 47. Bill in Old Forge 43. Cooperstown 50. Jeff in Mohawk 46. West Lawrence, Diane with 51 degrees. And Helen in Cassville checking in with 45. Low pressure to the west is carrying a cold front with it. You can see this line of rain that's heading in our direction. That will be arriving late tonight and early tomorrow. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, increasing clouds tonight. The rain arrives well after midnight, and early tomorrow morning, again, 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, that's when the rain begins. This could be accompanied by some rumbles of thunder. It's possible. I think that would be the exception, but again, something to keep an eye on. This will head to the east. We'll get a chance to dry out. The winds kick in from the west. Skies clear out, so a very changeable day weather-wise. A very gloomy start, but we'll see some sunshine in the afternoon, and it will turn breezy and cooler. Tomorrow night, the weather looks dry, and Saturday starts out mostly cloudy and generally dry. There will be some light rain and even a few light snow showers late in the day, and especially into Saturday night. Rainfall amounts, many areas pick up a quick ½ an inch to an inch of rain. This is not expected to cause any big flooding across our area because, again, this rainfall is a decent amount of rain, but it's not high enough to cause any significant issues. Rain tonight, low 45. Tomorrow, rain in the morning. Again, watch out for the wind with this. It could be strong. It's likely to be strongest early, up to 40-mile-an-hour gusts. An early high 55 degrees. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Some late rain and snow showers late Saturday. Also some late rain showers late Sunday. As we head into Monday, some late rain and snow. Temperatures in the low 40s. A chilly start to the work week, but temperatures will warm up, being in the upper 40s to near 50 by Wednesday and Thursday. We'll be right back.
The forecast with Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
The weather remains dry as we head into this evening and early tonight, but we are tracking a cold front that will bring big changes to the weather. Let's take a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. If you're heading out this evening, again, pretty quiet weather. We look out to the west, and in Ohio, you can see a line of rain, a wall of water. That's a cold front, and it's heading east. That will be our weather first thing tomorrow morning. Current temperature is 49 degrees. It's been a breezy afternoon with mostly cloudy skies. Our weather headlines: rain returns late tonight and into early tomorrow. Windy conditions first thing in the morning as the cold front comes moving through. As you head into the afternoon, we do get a chance to dry out. The weather looks cold enough for some scattered snow showers as we look at the extended forecast. This evening, cloudy skies, temperatures in the mid-40s. Again, tracking some much cooler weather as we look ahead. A look at that forecast is coming up. Back over to you.
And brand new at 6, Little Falls man.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. A generally pleasant afternoon. Cloudy skies, a breeze. It is going to turn much cooler as we look ahead. Let's take a live look outside. This is our Cavi Tower Cam overlooking the city of Utica. If you're running errands, maybe going out to dinner tonight, the weather is expected to be dry. This is a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. And again, we are looking at dry conditions. Winds will be picking up overnight, and they will be strong first thing tomorrow morning. Not strong enough to cause damage, but we're looking at 30 to 40 mile an hour wind gusts in the morning. The winds become lighter on Saturday and Sunday and breezy Monday. Let's track the winds as we head into tomorrow morning. As a cold front approaches, the winds will become sustained at about 15 to 25 miles an hour, and we'll see gusts along the front up to about 40 miles an hour. Again, that's enough to maybe take down some very light debris, some twigs and some light debris is possible to be thrown on the roadways first thing in the morning. The winds die down in the afternoon, and we're looking at generally light winds heading into Saturday. Skywatchers, 46 degrees in Norway, Clinton 46, George and Glenmore 47. Across Southern Valleys, Lyman and Eaton 51 degrees, Morris 50, and West Lawrence with 51, Mark and Milford 48. Low pressure to the west is carrying with it a cold front, which you can clearly see moving through Michigan. This line of rain that will be arriving here late tonight and early tomorrow. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, cloudy skies overnight. The rain picks up after about 2 to 3 o'clock in the morning. I want to stop things at 8 a.m. Check this out. Some heavier rain, some wind, that's the cold front. It's also possible that we could see a rumble of thunder with this as well. Temperatures will cool off as we head into the afternoon and evening. Also, we dry out and skies clear out. We should see some sunshine later in the day, which means tomorrow will be a very changeable weather day. A gloomy start, but a sunny finish. As you get into tomorrow night, the weather remains dry. On Saturday, cloud cover lingers into the picture as another area of low pressure approaches from the west. Some very light rain and snow showers are expected late Saturday. Again, some hilltop light snow is possible overnight as temperatures climb into the 40s. Rainfall mounts with the cold front. Again, the rain comes down heavy, but it doesn't last for long. We're thinking a general inch of rain region-wide, half an inch to an inch of rain region-wide as the front rolls through. Rain tonight, low of 45, rain in the morning, and then we get a chance to dry out. Some sunshine in the afternoon, a high of 55 degrees. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast, some rain and snow showers late Saturday as well as Sunday, temperatures in the mid-40s. Light snow possible on Monday, dry, cloudy Tuesday and Wednesday. Temperatures will warm back up into the upper 40s to near 50 looking ahead to next Wednesday and Thursday. We'll be right back.
Over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis. So rain is on the way, isn't it?
Yes, we're going to be looking at that for tomorrow morning. Heavy rain, too, along with some winds. The morning commute is expected to be dicey. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This evening, this late evening, and tonight, things are looking pretty quiet. But take a look to the west. Heavy rain on the way. That's going to be around for tomorrow morning as a strong cold front arrives. Winds have been picking up over the past several hours. An east-southeast wind at 13 miles an hour. Our current temperature is 49 degrees. We don't cool off very much going forward. Rain arrives as we head into late tonight. Breezy, cooler tomorrow afternoon. And we have some snow chances ahead. Nothing significant, but we do have a few chances to see some snow in the extended outlook. Tonight, rain developing well after midnight, low 45. We're tracking rainfall amounts and how the weekend is expected to play out, and that's coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. New tonight, On Point for College.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. Welcome back. We're taking a live look outside. This is our Cavi Tower cam. It's been shaking throughout the course of this evening. We have a wind out there. The wind will continue as we head into tonight as well as tomorrow. For the time being, things are looking dry. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We go to the west, we can see more rain, and that rain is heading in our direction. If you're working outdoors tomorrow, it's going to be a windy day, especially early. The first half of the day looks wet, but then we will get a chance to dry out. High temperatures in the mid-50s. The wind, again, strong tomorrow morning. Looking at 30 to 40 mile an hour gusts. The winds will diminish for Saturday and Sunday, and then breezy conditions on Monday. Let's take a look at the winds hour by hour. By 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, as the cold front approaches, that's when we're expecting the winds to be highest. We could see wind gusts up to about 30 to 40 miles an hour. Now, this would be enough to create some light debris in the roadways for the morning commute. So something to keep in mind in addition to the heavy rainfall, we could be dealing with that. Winds will gradually diminish. Still a breezy afternoon, but not as windy as earlier in the day as cooler air starts to work in. We're tracking a cold front to the west. You can see this line of rain that'll be approaching our area. In the wake of this, a big drop in the temperature. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast tonight. Rain will be developing. A lot of this arrives early tomorrow morning. 4 a.m. to about 8 is when the really heavy bands will start to approach the area. We could see some thunderstorms with this too, at least a couple of rumbles of thunder. The best chance of that happening would be south of Utica. The rain will gradually clear out as we head into the afternoon, and the weather will improve. In fact, we start out the day gloomy, but we should see some sunshine later in the day. Temperatures in the 40s. Dry tomorrow night, and then Saturday, we are tracking dry weather early in the day. Another wave of low pressure brings widespread rain and even some light snow to the region as we head into Saturday night. As far as rainfall is concerned, we're thinking about an inch, half an inch to an inch of rainfalls as we head into late tonight and early tomorrow. Again, it comes down pretty hard for a short period of time, but I'm not expecting any flooding issues for the majority of the area, aside from some ponding on roadways, of course. By the way, our Storm Tracker 2 winter weather outlook will be on Thursday, November 18th, so a week from today during the Live at 5 news hour. Tonight, rain developing, a low of 45, rain and wind early tomorrow, and then we dry out, high of 55. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Rain and snow showers late Saturday, 45. More showers late Sunday, 44. Widespread light snow on Monday, highs in the low 40s. We'll dry out for Tuesday and Wednesday with more light rain. A little bit warmer, temperatures close to 50 again by next Thursday. We'll be right back.
Let's look at the forecast. There's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. And Bill, we had a nice day to celebrate our veterans today, but things are changing overnight, right?
Yeah, we're tracking a cold front that will be approaching overnight. This brings some heavy rain to the region. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. You can see a wall of water to the west. That'll be here locally late tonight and early tomorrow, and it brings not only the rain, gusty winds, as well as a drop in temperature, and a big drop in temperature as we head into the weekend. Current temperature is not all that cold. It's 51 degrees, an east-southeast wind at 13 miles an hour. The winds continue as we head into tonight, and again, that rain arrives late. Breezy, cool tomorrow, even cooler as we head into the weekend with more than one chance of snow as we look into the weekend and beyond. Tonight, rain developing, a low of 45. We're tracking rainfall amounts and how this will impact the morning commute. And And that's coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. New tonight, On Point for College.
From New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We're taking a live look outside. This is our Cabby Tower Cam, and you can see it's bobbling around. We have some wind from the east-southeast that will continue as we head into tonight ahead of a cold front that will bring us some rain as we head into tomorrow morning. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. A couple of very light showers are just starting to show up. Steadier rain will be rolling in as we head into late tonight and early tomorrow. Working outdoors, the first half of the day looks to be a washout, some heavy rain early, but we do get a chance to dry out in the afternoon, a high temperature of 55 degrees. We are tracking some wind, strongest tomorrow as a cold front arrives. The winds will be backing off for the weekend. Breezy conditions expected on Monday. Let's track the wind hour by hour. It will gradually pick up as we head into tonight. By 6 o'clock tomorrow morning as the cold front approaches, that's when we're expecting peak wind gusts between about 30 to 40 miles an hour. This is strong enough to create some debris in the roadways for tomorrow morning, in addition to the heavy rain. So something to keep an eye on. And then the winds will be subsiding as we head into the afternoon and evening. As we look at the radar and satellite image, again, we're tracking a wall of water. This is the cold front. This will be approaching our area tonight and early tomorrow. And let's time it out on our Storm Tracker 2 Skycast. Tonight, again, dry conditions for the next couple of hours. Some steady rain will be developing as we head into late tonight and early tomorrow. This is the scene at 8 a.m. Check this out. This line of red stretching across the map is that cold front, and this is heavy rainfall and gusty winds. This also could produce some thunder and lightning, too, especially south of the Mohawk Valley. It arrives and moves through the area during the morning time. Again, some heavy rain with that, and then we dry out. In fact, the weather changes pretty quickly. We should see a return to sunshine in the afternoon, breezy and cooler conditions. Temperatures settling back into the low 50s to upper 40s. We're dry on Friday night, and then the weather turns a bit unsettled on Saturday. We're looking at some light rain and some snow as we head into Saturday evening and into Saturday night, with a light accumulation possible along hilltop locations. An inch of rain is expected as we head into tonight and early tomorrow as that cold front arrives. A reminder, our Storm Tracker 2 winter weather outlook is going to be next Thursday during the Live at 5 News Hour. Join meteorologist Hannah Evans and I as we talk about how much snow we can expect for the upcoming winter season and how temperatures will trend throughout the season. Rain tonight, low of 45. Rain early tomorrow along with wind. With that strong cold front, will dry out in the afternoon. High of 55. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Rain and some light snow on Saturday, especially along hilltop locations, 45 for the high. Dry early Sunday, more rain and snow late. This continues into early Monday. Chilly weather. Temperatures in the low 40s Tuesday, upper 40s by Wednesday and Thursday. We'll be right back.